Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to decorate a reusable bag. For this project we need a gold paint marker and a reusable bag because I don't want to invest too much time in it. I get a ready-made reusable bag. But if you want to make your own bag, it's up to you. It's very simple. It's a tote bag with a pocket here. Then I'm going to write something on the back. And for this one, it's not ready. You have to activate it by shaking it. Of course, if you want to use brush and paint, you please feel free to do so. But I think this way is more practical. Sorry, I will pause it. Okay, now the paint is ready. We can use it. Start. First, I need to put a board in this bag so the color, the paint won't run to the other side. If you are afraid to do on the blank piece of fabric, you can make your design first. I did by using pencil with the design. So if you make mistake, you just use eraser. Now my design is ready. I just trace it. Oh, it's so nice. The pigment is so strong.
But just don't sniff it.
Yeah, it smells bad.
Don't inhale
It's a paint.
It's chemical. Isn't it chemical?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Why do you like cursive handwriting so much?
It's not cursive.
It's a bit cursive. You still connect them. I think you forgot your S.
Why?
Look. Oh, okay, never mind.
That's why I design it first. Make sure everything is correct.
Oh, you. Love.
I think I want to make it make the serif like this. Love others as you
Love yourself.
Wow, it dries very fast also.
Okay.
It's not cursive, right?
It's a bit. Some words are. I mean, some letters. The paint is nice.
I like the color.
LF. Wait, so what if you don't love yourself?
It's from the Bible. That's why.
What's the whole thing? What's the whole thing?
You can read the design, right?
No, I want the whole thing. I can't.
You can see clearly.
Yeah. And also your hand is blocking, so I can't really. Meaning, is it? Means what?
Oh no,
What?
I wrote wrongly.
What? Oh yeah, a little bit.
But you can see it, right?
Yeah. People won't pay attention from far.
I can see. Oh yeah, it's quite obvious, you know.
Just make it thick, lor.
Yeah, then I have to repeat for the other letters.
Yep. Means nothing.
Yeah, I think my design are too thin. I can't even see it properly.
If you don't love yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Set. Left.
Okay. Now,
What about this thing?
yeah, that is Selby because I want to give it to Miss Selby. She's the one who told me this thing. Then I have to do it here.
Don't mess up the name.
Yeah, cannot.
Why? Is it? Yeah.
Then I put the line here. The line here. Okay. Now I have to cover everything because this letter is too thick. I just pause it. Okay. I repeated several times and
You're
Okay.
finally done.
do be careful when you shake the marker. I didn't cover the marker properly, so I made some splashes here and here. See, it's not nice. So I did this mistake. I'm telling you not to do the same mistake. Cover your markers when you are shaking it. Okay, and this is the final result. I'm glad that I put the cutting board here. See, as you can see, the marker make marks here, but doesn't transfer to the other side. Okay, now we just have to let it dry and our project is done. Love others as you love yourself means nothing if you don't love yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. God bless you.